Alright, Andrew, here's the first of your 43rd scale, so say 43rd scale Road Champs cars that you sent me. This is decal as a Utah Highway Patrol car. See the beehive. Don't get stung. I'm allergic, so I can't deal with that. Anyway, Road Champs vehicle is an older model Crown Vic, same body style all the way up through 2010, I think, when they stopped making these. I can't remember what year it was they quit making the Crown Vic, but anyway, seems like it's been forever. But then again, in that a little bit. But then again, it seemed like they were just doing it last year, but obviously they weren't. Anyway, enough chatter. Utah State Patrol. Front door is still open on this. Of course, the trunk will not open now. I say, of course, the trunk will not open because what I would need to do in the back for the lighting and everything else, resistors and everything need to go into this. Don't want the trunk open. If it opened, all you're going to see is a bunch of resistors and wires. So, no need in showing that off. Everything else still works like it should. Still rolls. I left you plenty of wire on this. I know it's going to go in a Christmas display. So you've got about 14-15 inches of wire. Figured it better to have more than not enough, so worst case you can just kind of bundle the wire under the fake snow or something, whatever you're using this for. So we're going to turn this on. This one here, starts to say basic, but this one here is actually had quite a bit of lighting to it. It's the one you wanted the grill lights and everything, and I was able to do all of that for you. So you have your flashing headlights on this, red and blue, or one red and one blue grill strobe, red and blue strobe light bar. You asked for a red and blue strobe on the rear deck, and my shop light is reflecting in the window. There we go. Red and blue strobe on the rear deck, and then also flashing taillights. So turned out pretty good. It's going to look pretty good on your display. There you have that one. I'll have the other ones finished up. I'll probably load the videos on YouTube at the same time, so by the time you see one of these, you'll probably see the other, but that's how it goes. I appreciate it, and so I'll get those other ones to you. Try to get those knocked out really soon. Thank you.